Welcome back, smart shoppers! Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers. On the left, we have the QIDI MAX3, and on the right, the ComGrow 2024 new version Creality K1C. It's the ultimate 3D printer showdown. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about price. The QIDI MAX3 is priced at $1,099, making it a premium choice. Meanwhile, the Creality K1C comes in at $599, offering a more budget-friendly option. If your wallet's on a diet, the Creality K1C is the clear winner here. Both printers boast a maximum speed of 600 millimeters per second and 20,000 millimeters per square second acceleration. The QIDI MAX3 is built like a tank with its all-metal frame and aluminum heat bed, making it extremely stable. On the other hand, the Creality K1C features a clog-free direct extruder and a titanium alloy heat break, making it a strong performer right out of the box. Reviewers find the QIDI MAX3 to be more reliable for long-term use, whereas the Creality K1C impresses with its immediate performance. Ease of use is crucial. The QIDI MAX3 comes fully assembled and auto-levels, making setup a breeze. Reviewers appreciate how easy it is to get started with this printer. The Creality K1C is also plug-and-play with an auto-calibration feature that simplifies the process even further. Reviewers highlight its user-friendly setup, making it accessible for beginners. For ease of use, the Creality K1C takes the crown. When it comes to material versatility, the QIDI MAX3 can handle a wide range of materials from PLA to carbon fiber. Reviewers note its capability to print various high-performance materials. The Creality K1C also supports high-temperature printing and features a clog-free direct extruder. However, the QIDI MAX3 edges out slightly with its broader range of material compatibility. Last but not least, let's talk smart features. The QIDI MAX3 comes with open-source Clipper firmware and QIDI slicer software, along with a 1-year warranty and lifetime tech support. Reviewers appreciate the robust customer support and software features. The Creality K1C features AI LiDAR and an AI camera for first-layer scanning and recognizing print failures. Reviewers enjoy these high-tech features that enhance the printing experience. For smart features, the Creality K1C wins with its advanced technology. Reviewers praise the QIDI MAX3 for its reliability, material versatility, and excellent customer service. They find it to be a capable and versatile machine, perfect for both hobbyists and industrial settings. On the other hand, reviewers commend the Creality K1C for its affordability, ease of use, and advanced smart features. They highlight its accessibility for beginners and its impressive performance right out of the box. So, there you have it. Both the QIDI MAX3 and the Creality K1C are stellar 3D printers, but they shine in different areas. If you're looking for rock-solid stability and material versatility, go with the QIDI MAX3. But if you're budget-conscious and love smart features, the Creality K1C is your new best friend. Did we help you make a decision? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart.